So you have a situation right now where the Haitian community is realizing a mistake, and it's not too late. Because the big mistake that the Haitian community made, and it made it by default, was to consider itself the better of the blackies.
And as a
Sooner or
result of
later,
that,
you would have realized that whatever the treatment the African American community was going through, it would just be a matter of time before socialization would also come and get your own children. So for those factors concerning youth going to jail, you have to look at other communities going through the same problem, and you have to link up. And you have to immediately join hands and reinforce to ensure, because it's a business right now. And because the Haitian population in Florida is somewhat of course they're going to come for your Haitian kids. Because your Haitian kids are going to make a lot of money for the prisoner, for the people who own those jails and the facilitators of those jails. Of course it is an attack. Of course it is a war. And if you keep talking nice, and if you keep behaving nice, and you keep writing letters and signing petitions, in 10 years there will be no more men in your cipher to do what men are supposed to do to guard communities. It is an attack.
So Lahiny, based on what you're saying, I think one of your solutions, it was concerning linking up with other communities.
If you can find light struggles, and there are other communities who are going through those struggles, there isn't a need to reinvent the wheel. The need to reinforce and become stronger with numbers is better, because now even the people, the black folks from the sand coast of the world, they are realizing we are no whiter than the whiter of the black folks. So it's time that we realize that a lot of us as Haitians, we thought we were so superior avec le français qu'on parlait si suffisamment insuffisant. But it is not enough anymore to feel such difference, because those differences are hurting our community.
Okay, so what we want to do, we're going to stay focused, because you're speaking very passionately about
Yes.
something that is so very important. But because of our time constraints, and this is what often happens within our community, we get together and we're so eloquent and we have so much to share that we lose sight of how we're going to strategically create that change. But I love that you mentioned, number one, being able to look around us, see what's working, don't reinvent the wheel.
No.
Use our strengths and move
You
from
have
there.